Welcome to I2 Future Channel, and today, we're diving deep into a question that feels straight out of science fiction. Could humanity actually build artificial planets from scratch? Creating an entire planet might sound impossible, but with the advancements in science and technology, it's not as far-fetched as you might think. In this video, we'll explore the challenges, the possibilities, and how humanity might one day achieve this monumental feat. Let's get started. Before we get into the science of building an artificial planet, we need to understand what that really means. An artificial planet would be a man-made celestial body, built to function like a natural planet with its own atmosphere, gravity, ecosystems, and sustainable resources. But why would we need to build one in the first place? As Earth's population grows and resources become scarcer, the idea of creating new habitats for humanity is gaining traction. Concepts like artificial planets or megastructures, such as Dyson spheres or space stations, could provide homes for billions of people in the distant future. To build an artificial planet, we'd face a massive engineering challenge. The first thing we'd need is materials, and a lot of them. Planets like Earth are composed of a variety of elements, including iron, silicon, oxygen, and carbon. Mining enough raw materials from asteroids or other celestial bodies would be the first step. We might need to look to space mining on asteroids, moons, or even uninhabitable planets to gather the necessary resources. This could involve a combination of robotics and automated systems to mine and transport these materials back to the construction site in space. Once we have the materials, the next challenge is gravity. Natural planets have mass, which creates the gravitational pull that keeps everything, including the atmosphere, in place. For an artificial planet, we need to replicate this effect. One idea is to build the planet around a massive core, using dense materials like iron or heavy metals to create enough gravitational force. Alternatively, rotating space habitats, like those proposed in concepts such as the O'Neill cylinder, could use centrifugal force to simulate gravity. These structures would spin, and the rotation would create artificial gravity for anyone living on the inner surface. Creating a stable atmosphere is another major hurdle. An artificial planet would need an atmosphere with the right balance of gases, mainly oxygen and nitrogen, to support life. We'd need to find a way to maintain this atmosphere and protect it from being stripped away by solar winds or space radiation. Magnetic fields are crucial here. Earth's magnetic field protects us from harmful solar radiation, and an artificial planet would need something similar. We might need to engineer an artificial magnetic field or install protective shields around the planet to keep the atmosphere intact and ensure the surface remains habitable. Beyond atmosphere and gravity, we'd also have to think about ecosystems. A planet isn't just a chunk of rock. It's a delicate system of living organisms that interact with each other and their environment. To make an artificial planet truly habitable, we'd need to establish ecosystems with plants, animals, and microbes, all functioning in harmony. This involves controlling factors like temperature, water supply, and nutrient cycles. This challenge could be approached by using terraforming technology, similar to what scientists are proposing for Mars, to gradually build a self-sustaining biosphere. One of the most intriguing concepts in this field is the idea of megastructures like Dyson spheres or ring worlds, popularized in science fiction. These massive structures could encompass entire stars, capturing their energy to power artificial habitats. While building an entire planet might seem too ambitious, these megastructures offer a glimpse of how humanity might expand into space by creating enormous living spaces. Such structures would allow us to harness vast amounts of energy, and they could serve as the foundation for constructing artificial worlds. So, could humanity build entire planets from scratch? While we may not have the technology yet, the idea isn't beyond the realm of possibility. With enough time, resources, and innovation, we might one day build new worlds to live on, planets tailored to our needs, designed to expand humanity's reach across the universe. The journey to artificial planets is a long one, but as we continue to push the boundaries of science and technology, it's a challenge we might just be able to meet.